if you touch, for example, a lavender plant and you sniff it, and then you get the smell, that's essential oil, that's aromatherapy. The Institute of Aromatherapy was the first school of its kind in Canada. The Aroma Shoppe grew because people wanted to have a good supply of essential oils. In a homemade cosmetic, you can choose what goes into your product. I'm teaching a class today on how to make your own creams, lotions, lipsticks, lip balms, ointments. So we're going to make a whole array of products. It's easily understandable. You can use common ingredients, regular kitchen stuff. I've had a lot of students going out and making a business out of it afterwards. And they just want something new to do and something new to learn. So I've got people who want a career from people who want to just have fun for a weekend.